In the last session, we have discussed allied angles. Based on allied angles, we are supposed to discuss the problems. Okay? Sine 120 degree. 120 degree is not a standard angle. Of course, you can remember that. Let us reduce that. 120 can be written as 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 is 120. We want to sine of 120. This is of the form sine of 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, only sine theta and its reciprocal cosecant theta are positive. So, 180 is multiple of 90, 2. 2 is multiple of for 180, 2 into 90 is 180. For even multiples, trigonometric functions remains the same. That's why sine 60 degree. What is sine 60 degree? Root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 by 2. Then tan 120 degree. Again 120 can be written as 180 minus 60. Tan of the angle, tan 120 degree means tan of 180 minus 60. So 180 minus theta, this is of the form. As per ASTC rule, S stands for sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive. 180 means trigonometric function remains the same. Okay, doesn't change. So 180 minus theta second quadrant means only sine is positive. This is tan. That's why it is negative. So tan 60 degree is minus root 3. So that tan 120 is minus root 3. Tan 135 degree. 135 can be written as 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45 means 135 only. It is in the second quadrant. So tan of 180 minus theta, this is of the form. So 180 means trigonometric function doesn't affect, remains same. So it is negative. Tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is minus 1. So tan 135 degree can be written as minus 1. Sine 150 degree. 150 can be written as 180 minus 30. No? What is 180 minus 30? 150 only. Sine of 180 minus theta. Again in the second quadrant only. That means sine 30 degree. What is sine 30 degree? 1 divided by 2. So sine 150 is 1 by 2. Then cos 150 degree. 150 can be written as 180 minus 30, So in the second quadrant, cos should be negative. That is minus cos 30 degree. Minus cos 30 degree. Only sine and cosecant are positive, Cos 30 degree is the same as sine 60 degree. Because a plus b is equal to 90 degree. If a plus b equals 90 degree, sine a is equal to cos b. Tan a is equal to cot b. Isn't it? So sine 30 degree is equal to cos 60 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to sine 60 degree. So cos 30 should be minus root 3 by 2. I mean cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Cos of 150 is minus root 3 by 2. Sine of 210 degree. 210 can be written as 180 plus 30. Observe, 180 plus 30 is 210, you know. So sine of the angle we want. 180 plus theta is which quadrant? 180 plus theta is the third quadrant, isn't it? So in the third quadrant only tan and cot are positive, whereas this is sine. That's why this should be minus sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. That's why sine 210 can be written as minus 1 by 2. Tan 210 degree. See, 210 can be written as 180 plus 30. So tan of the angle. So this is in the third quadrant. As I said, as per ASTC rule, tan should be negative. AST, T stands for tan and its reciprocal cot or positive. So tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 divided by root 3. Cot 225. 225 can be written as 180 plus 45, you know. What is 180 plus 45? 225. Cot of this means, so cot of 180 plus 45. So 180 plus theta means again in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant cot is positive only. So 180 means trigonometry function remains the same. Cot 45 degree is reciprocal of tan 45. So which is 1 by 1 antandre 1 ene. Secant 240 degree. 240 can be written as 180 plus 60, you know. So secant of 180 plus theta. So third quadrant. In the third quadrant, as per ASTC rule, only tan and cot are positive. Since this is a secant, it should be negative. Secant 60 degree. Recollect the formula. Secant 60 degree is reciprocal of cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equal to sin 30 degree, 1 by 2. So secant 60 degree should be reciprocal of 1 by 2 means 2 minus 2. Secant 240 is tan 300 degree. 300 can be written as 360 minus 60. Of course, 270 plus something also you can write. 270 plus 30 you can write. Lies in the same quadrant. But trigonometric functions changes when it is 270 degree means. That's why I am taking even multiples of 90. That is 180 and 360 I am writing. So tan of 300 can be written as 360 minus theta. Lies in the fourth quadrant, you know. In the fourth quadrant, only cos and its reciprocal secant are positive. Since this is tan of the angle, so minus tan 60 degree. 360 means doesn't change. Tan 60 degree is root 3. That's why tan 300 can be written as minus root 3. Tan 315. So this can be written as 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45. Okay. So fourth quadrant again 360 means trigonometry function remains same. That's why tan 45 degree with the negative sign. So in the fourth quadrant tan is negative. So tan 45 degree is 1. So tan 315 should be minus 1. Next, sin 330 degree. Sin 330 can be written as 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30. So sin of 360 minus 30 again in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, 360 minus theta, so fourth quadrant, 360 minus theta. Only cos and secant are positive. Since this is a sine, minus sin 30 degree. We know that sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. This is one of the method. Or else, in terms of 270, let me write. 330 can be written as, see this, 330 can be written as 270 plus 60. What is 270 plus 60? 330, correct enough? So 270 plus 60 means again lies in the fourth quadrant only. Fourth quadrant means, so trigonometric function 270 means in the fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive, whereas this is negative. Sin is negative. So 270 means trigonometric function changes. Sin changes to what? Cos 60 degree. What is cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree is same as sin 30 degree, which is minus 1 by 2. Observe. So either you can write in terms of 360 or in terms of 270. Okay, you get the same answer. So better to go for even multiples of 90, since trigonometry function remains the same, 180 and 360 you can write. In terms of 180 and 360, that is better it seems. You can write 90, 270 also, in terms of 90 and 270 also. Anyhow, you get the same answer. Okay. Next, second question, worked example, a good one. Find the value of sin of 31 pi by 3 in the year 2018, north zone. 2 mark it is appeared in 2 mark. See, 31 pi by 3 is not a standard angle. You need to reduce that. See, 310 times 30. Actually 31 we have. So 30 plus pi means 31 pi anta agata. So that sin of 30 pi plus pi divided by 3. This is equal to sin of 30 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. This can be written as sin of 310 pi plus pi by 3. Multiples of pi, 2 pi, 4 pi, even multiple can be added or subtracted from, so that no change in the value. This is sin pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. So sin 60 degree is root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 by 2. Why? Because you can verify 10 pi plus pi by 3 means first quadrant. See, 1 pi, 2 pi, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 8 plus 2, 10 plus pi by 3 means somewhere in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive, right? So multiples of 2 pi, that is 10 pi, can be added or subtracted from, so that no change the value. I have given in a note actually. So sin of 10 pi plus pi by 3 is sin pi by 3. Sin 30 degree is root 3 by 2 in 2 mark section. Next, question number 3, exercise problem. Find the value of cos of minus 110, cos of minus 1710, 1710 degree. See, cos of minus theta. Minus theta. Where does minus theta lies? Where does minus theta lies? See, if the amount of rotation, if the rotation is a clockwise direction, it is a negative measurement. As per ASTC rule, so it lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, So, cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Of course, secant of minus theta is plus secant theta. This is just like that. Cos of minus 1710 degree can be written as cos of 1710 plus cos theta, So, let us write in terms of 180 or 360. So, 360 into 5, 180, 1800, 1710 we have, subtract, we are left with 90 degree. So, 36 into 5, 36 into 5 means 1800. Actually, we have 1710 degree, less, so minus 90 degree. So, 1800 minus 1710 means 90 degree. Observe this, multiples of 360. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 90 degree. So, somewhere in the fourth quadrant, it is plus cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is how much? 0. So, therefore, cos of minus 1710 degree is equal to 0. Okay. Find the values of the following. Find the values of following. Under that, sin of 765 degree. 765 is not a standard angle. 36 into 2 means 720. Actually, we have 765, something more than that. So, that means sin of 2 into 360 degree, 720 plus 45 degree. 720 plus 45 means 765 only. Okay. So, this is sin 45 degree. Multiples of 2 pi, So, 2 pi, 10 pi, those even multiples of pi can be added or subtracted from sin 45 degree. So, which is 1 by root 2. Why? Because you can check the quadrant in which it lies. So, 360, 1 360, 2 360 degree plus 45 means somewhere in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive. That is why sin 45 degree. Question number 4b. Sin of minus 11 pi by 3. Sin of minus theta, this is of the form. Minus theta means it lies in the fourth quadrant. Isn't it? So, minus theta as per ASTC rule, only cos and its reciprocal are positive, whereas sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. That's why this can be written as minus sin of 11 pi by 3. 11 pi by 3. Check the multiple of 3. Nearest to 11 means 12. So, 12 pi minus pi. 12 pi minus pi means 11 pi by 3. 12 pi by 3 minus pi by 3. 12 by 3 means how much? 4 times. 4 pi minus pi by 3. 4 pi minus pi by 3. This is equal to sine of pi by 3. Positive or negative? See, 4 pi, this is pi, 2 pi. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi minus pi by 3 means lies in the fourth quadrant. And the fourth quadrant means it is negative. So already we have a negative sign. So minus of minus plus, okay, pi by 3 lies in the fourth quadrant. 2 pi minus pi by 3. I mean 4 pi minus pi by 3 means fourth quadrant. 4 pi plus pi by 3 means the first quadrant, all are positive. In the fourth quadrant, so sign should be negative, minus sin pi by 3, minus of minus plus sin pi by 3, which is root 3 by 2, sin 60 degrees, root 3 by 2. Cosecant of minus 1410. ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಝೋನ್ 17 ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ? ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಿನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ cosecant 1410 degree. Okay, let us write the multiples of 360. 360 into 2 means 720. 360 into 4 means how much? 1440. Actually 410 we have, minus 1410. That means 30 degree. So 4 into 360, 36 into 4, 144. 360 into 4 means 1440 degree. We have 1410 degree. So that means minus 30 degree you need to write. Minus 30 degree you need to write. So now this is again in the fourth quadrant only. So in the fourth quadrant it should be negative. This is in the fourth quadrant, you can verify. So this is minus cosecant 30 degree, minus of minus plus cosecant 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, cosecant 30 degree is 2. Next, D, cot of minus 15 pi by 4. So what is minus cot of minus theta? Minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, as per ASTC rule, cos and its reciprocal secant are positive, whereas cot should be negative. So minus cot 15 pi by 4. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. So 15 pi by 4 is not a standard angle. Let us reduce this. Multiple of 4 nearest to 15 is 16. So 16 pi minus pi, let me write. 16 pi minus pi means 15 pi by 4 only. Okay. Now this is equal to minus cot 16 by 4 means 4 minus pi by 4. I just separate this. 16 pi by 4 minus pi by 4. 16 by 4 means 4 pi. So now, so 4 pi minus theta means lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cot should be negative, minus cot pi by 4. Minus of minus plus cot pi by 4. So tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is reciprocal of that, which is 1 again. You can verify 4 pi, this is pi, 2 pi, 4 pi minus pi by 4 means lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos should be negative, I mean cot should be negative. So cot pi by 4 is 1. So that cot of minus 15 pi by 4 should be 1. One more, tan of 19 pi by 3, tan of 19 pi by 3, multiple of 3 nearest to 19 is 18. 18 pi plus pi is 19 pi divided by 3. Separate this. 18 divided by 3, 6 pi plus pi by 3, 6 pi plus pi by 3. So where does this lies? 6 pi. See, this is pi, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi plus pi by 3 lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all are positive, so that is tan pi by 3. Tan 60 degree is root 3. That is the answer. Okay. Fifth one, prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equals minus 1 by 2. It is appeared in the year 15 South Zone, Bangalore South Zone 15 and 13 in 2 mark section. So consider the left hand side to prove the RHS. That is sin square pi by 6. Sin square theta can be written as sin theta the whole square, and then cos square pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 the whole square minus tan pi by 4 the whole square. This is the left hand side. So sin pi by 6, pi by 6 is 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 the whole square. Cos pi by 3, cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree is equal to sin 30 degree, which is 1 by 2 the whole square. Tan pi by 4 is 1 the square, which is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. 2 times 1 by 4 minus 1, which is 1 by 2 minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 as the answer, which is RHS. This is what we want in 15. Next question, sixth one, an exercise problem. Prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Consider the left hand side to prove the RHS. 2 sin square theta. Sin theta whole square, let me write. Cosecant square 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 is not a standard angle. You need to reduce that. This can be written as pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6. You can check it. 6 pi, take the LCM. 6 pi plus pi means 7 pi by 6. Whole square we have. Let me write the whole square into cos pi by 3 the whole square. This is the left hand side actually. So this is equal to 2 into sin pi by 6 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 the whole square plus 180 plus theta lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cosecant is negative minus cosecant pi by 6. Pi means 180. 180 means doesn't affect. So minus cosecant pi by 6 the whole square. Cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree is equal to sin 30 degree, isn't it? So 1 by 2 the whole square. This is 2 into 1 by 4. So plus cosecant pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree is reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, This is minus 2 the whole square into 1 divided by 4. This is 1 by 2 minus of minus into minus plus 4 into 1 by 4. 4 gets cancelled. 1 by 2 plus 1. Take the LCM. So 2 as the LCM means 1 plus 2, 3 divided by 2. That is what we want. That is the RHS.